Hi everybody, welcome to IC Project tutorial session. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can manage your projects. So let's go inside of this project, for example, and see what we can do with this view. For example, basically, you can see how much progress you have in each and particular Kanban board. So for example, sales pipeline, a Kanban board has 50% of progress, which, the system calculates from the tasks, Kanban tasks, which have been dropped into the finished section like so. So this is 50%, 5% are to do and in progress, and 5 tasks are in the column done. So finished, basically. Let's have a look. So basically, this is a to-do section. And this is in progress section status, to be quite sure. And this is a done section. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tasks which have been completed, thus making it 50%, right? Everything is okay. What's more, what else, what other information you can get from this view? So basically, automatically IC Project will calculate the progress bar of the project, and you will see the entire progress in this section, in the project section. So how to use Kanban boards. This is the progress of the project. You can search your boards here, because you can have a project which is quite complicated, elaborate, and you have a lot of Kanban boards. So basically this is for your convenience. So you can search a particular Kanban board with regard to the type of the Kanban board, which you can define with relevance to the settings. So you basically edit your Kanban board or stage and give it a different type. So you can search it here, for example. Yeah. So what else? You can see work time ratio, which shows you how much time you planned for the task and how much time has been reported with regard to your tasks in Kanban boards. What is a great thing, and I've already discussed it in my previous videos, you can basically save entire project as a template and then use it. But this is really a great functionality. But for example, using templates made out of Kanban boards is much more useful for me as a user. So basically, I can save it as a template, this Kanban board, sales pipeline. Yeah, I save as a template. I just want to have this, the upper section of the Kanban board, so workflow section, saved. I click saved, and then I can basically use, let me have a look at it, use this section, the workflow section, in my structure. So whenever I want to add, let's have a look, add a Kanban board, I just use the template in the advanced section here. I just select sales pipeline template, which has been, predefined for your convenience by me. I just save it, and it should be here. So let's have a look. And we have only the workflow section with the statuses in this view. Some people might want to ask what else you can get from this view. So basically, you can add a lot of automations in this section. You can chat about this board. So basically, because we have inbuilt chat module, which is here, but you can have a chat around this Kanban board. So ICP is going to assign automatically the people who are assigned to this Kanban board. Also, you might want to have a project chat like so. So where is it? So yeah, here it is. You can chat around this entire project and you can see who read the message, or you might want to have an individual chat with this user, for example. Yeah. So you have different types of chat areas in which you can have a conversation about the entire project, the board. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, and individual chat. So this is basically what IC Project offers you from this view. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like, and don't forget to drop a comment and ask me a certain question in the comment sections below. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.